Good morning, guys. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. I'm going to wait until few of you hop on, and then let's talk about what we are going to do today. And happy hump day. I know after Navaratri, it is what to say, like it was the whole week. I took it like very in a relaxed fashion because the past 9 days for Navratri, I was getting up early and then planned every look and posting and talking to my parents and my mother-in-law and for every day. So it's like almost, uh, I would say, half a day will go in that fashion. I really had so much fun because I planned even my everything around it, so I know I'm going to be really busy during that time. So um, this week I wanted to wind up again and just take it slowly and then go with my normal routine. So for this week, what I wanted to show is, I know now we wear mask most of the time. I know many of you break out with the mask. For me, if you see, usually I do my exfoliator. That is, previously I used to do both polishing exfoliator and resurfacer. But since polishing exfoliator is discontinued, now I do resurfacer twice. But in between that, I always do both of our mask whenever I have time. We do carry two type of mask. One is the detox mask, which comes in the big tub, and the second one is obviously the gold mask. The cool thing about these masks are both of them can be used by any skin type and anybody in any what is it, like age criteria too, because they both are have tons of goodness, and also they are not harsh. So that way, even if you have a teen, you can still use it because they are not abrasive, like they are not going to be damaging the skills. And the first thing about detox mask is it's good for even acne prone skin, because if you see people who have acne, they will not be able to rub or do anything because that will aggravate the what to say, that will aggravate your pus or anything that is being formed. So instead of that, this mask will be really what is it, really gentle, so that way anyone can use it. If you're hopping on, say hi. And as I was talking about detox mask, if you see last week I was like wearing a lot of makeup, and I was what is it, I was doing so many things. So this week, I always make sure whenever I have a big trip, I went on a big trip to what is it, like I'm out most of the time. Hi Farah, thank you so much for hopping on. Good morning. So I always make sure to use the detox mask. Farah, this is the one you were talking about that day. This is my favorite mask because if you see, people who have used other masks, they will be drying out, whereas the detox mask will not dry out at all. It applies white, whereas it dries out clear, so that way you can leave it longer too, because it's not going to pull your skin or tighten it. Yeah. And it's also going to what is it, take out the junks at the same time. Let me show how much I'm going to use. That way while applying, we'll talk about the goodness of it. So this mask will last you so long, because as I mentioned, the tub is really big, and you can see it's nice and creamy. And you're going to just use, what I use is, you can use any other container. I had the old one, so I like to mix it with one more ingredient. So I used to take just a tiny bit for the whole face. This itself will be lot of it. I'm going to put it in my tub. Let me show you. Yeah, I have a little bit left from the last time. That's why I took it this much. I know even with that I will left out. And I like to add the Nangai oil to it because already this is called detoxifying and moisturizing mask. And I'm going to add Nangai oil. That way I'm going to have extra moisturization. You don't need a ton of it. I'm just going to use, because I like, when anyway you are going to take the 20 minutes, why not have extra products that can add moisturization. So I'm going to use just like one single drop, that's it, not more than that. That itself is will be enough for the whole face. So I like to just use my gold mask applicator itself and just mix them both. It's more like a creamy mask, so it applies really well, and there is no right or wrong quantity. I always like to do thin layers with Senegens. That is one thing I always talk about with my customers. Use as thin as possible because you don't want to waste the product, because anyway you're going to get the benefits out even with the thin layer itself. So don't waste the product if you're using it. So once I mix it, I'm going to just start applying it, and let's talk about the product too. So as I mentioned, you all know I have a puppy now at home. The one thing he likes is he likes to lick. So obviously I started breaking out a little, but I know being a puppy, it's hard for him to say not to lick, because that is the way he is going to show affection. So which I don't want to do. Instead I wanted to take care and avoid it, at the same time not having much marks. So what this is going to do is it's going to pull out all the junks from the pores, because when you let your pores fill in with oil and what else, the makeup or even the pollution, that's when we start to break out. So what this mask is going to do is it is going to pull out all those junk underneath the skin layers and bring it to the top. So that way it is going to help detox your skin while you wear it, and it's going to do it in a very, very gentle way. As I mentioned, that's why I say even for acne prone skin they'll be able to use it, because for people with acne, this will really help with the redness. There is arnica flower extract in it, which is going to help with the redness of it. And it has kaolin clay. I think I have already shared it in the group too. What the kaolin clay does is it is more like a gentle purification. So it's going to absorb all the impurities in the skin, and not only that, it's going to bring it to the top. That way I know we all detox for our body, like eating clean and all these things. So the same way, as you know, you can still see how much product is left, and that's why I end up having every time a little bit left, and I don't use it more. But if you want, you can continue it to a neck too. That way you can apply and leave it, but it's an optional one. If you don't want, you can just use it on your face. So as I mentioned, kaolin clay is one important thing that's going to help bring out all the impurities. So as you all know, we nowadays with pollution and other things, we let our skin get damaged. So by using these, it's going to not only bring out the impurities, but also it's going to repair at the same time. So that way, once you start using these kind of products, it's going to you will start noticing the what is it, like the skin getting clear, and skin's firmness, and not only that, it's going to directly address blemishes. So that way it is like helps in multiple level. And as I mentioned, I'm going to do this thin layer and leave it for 20-30 minutes, and once after 30 minutes, if you see, even the only the places where I did thick you will be able to see, or else it will start drying it out clear. So you can just go ahead and wash it. And doing this, like you can do it at night too. So anytime when you have like extra 15-20 minutes, whether you're doing some household chores or you are reading some book and winding up or watching TV, I like to do these kind of self-care things. That way, it is like multiple things you're doing it, and it is not going to take tons of time. Like since I was talking and doing, maybe it took like few minutes, but if you're doing it by yourself, it's hardly takes some 1 minute just to apply, and same way another 1 minute just to wash it off after 30 minutes. The other ingredient here is obviously the volcanic ash, which we always find it in our resurfacer. The volcanic ash is here, but the main difference between the resurfacer to detox mask is volcanic ash is with walnut shells is there in resurfacer. So people who has nut allergy cannot use it because it's, and also it is scrubby consistency. It is like a what is it, like it's not a finer grit, it's more of a coarse grit. So some people may not like to use those kind of gritty ones on their face, because they feel like it may be little harsh when they have pus or they will have breakouts. So for this is very easy for those kind of people, and as I mentioned, even for teens or anyone, they can really use it and get the benefits of it. Because as you know, when teens have common breakouts or they will have acne problem, this is going to address it, but in a very gentle way. So that is why I say detox mask can be. And since you have seen how little I have used, most of our exfoliators will be for like quite 9 to 10 months or so, because you are just going to use twice a week. And so that way it is like a one-time investment, but you get a benefit for a longer period of time. And exfoliation is one important part when it comes to skincare, because we all get newer skin cells the same way we get dead skins too. So unless you remove your dead skin cells, your face will be little dull. You will have patchiness. If you remember back in India, if we go for a facial or something, once we come back, we feel like our face is really fresh. That's because they have used the scrub and exfoliated to all the dead skin cells. So that's why our face feels softer, and we feel a brighter look. And so this way you can either use this or gold mask. Both of them will be like more than 20 to gold mask will be around 20 to 30 uses. The same way this one will be for longer period of time. As you can see, it's going to be clear. You don't even feel like it's going to pull your face or anything. So make sure to grab any one exfoliator in your system. That way the skincare, whatever you are going to put, it's going to help make it work better. Because once you take out the dead skin cell, even just if you wear a CCTM or anything, your face will really look better. Because if you feel like your foundation is patchy, or if your skin is having rough dry patches, adding these will really moisturize. As I mentioned already, the detox mask itself is going to moisturize, because the name suggests, it's not going to be drying out. While pulling out the junk, it's putting back the moisture. So anytime when you add moisture to your skin, it is going to help it have more plumpier, healthy looking skin. So as I'm last week I was getting ready and doing my Navratri looks. I didn't have time for my both masks, I would say. Like I didn't had time since it was from one weekend to other weekend. I was fully occupied on that, so I thought, why not take time for today and just utilize that. So that's it. So if you are looking to grab a mask, please make sure to do one. As I mentioned, you will not regret it. And this is one mask that anyone can use it at any level, like whether you are in your 20s, whether you are in 50s, doesn't matter at all. It's going to work the same way. And have a wonderful day. See you all soon.